dimension. The input of the pattern size cannot be greater than 100 mm by 235 mm. Please use letters or 0 to 9 numbers for the name of pattern file. Pattern input. Insert the U-disk into USB port. Power on. Enter the main interface. Then click the Set key. Click the pattern import. Click the pattern file that needs to be imported. Then click the Import key to import the pattern into the machine. After the import completes, click the Back button to return to the main interface. Click USB icon to check all the imported pattern files. The user may import the files as needed delete operation. Part 8. Maintenance. Power off. Open the cover. Take out the bobbin. Grab the needle plate B on both sides to move in its own direction. Take out needle plate B. Take out the inner kettle. Remove the dust on inner kettle, inner rotating shuttle, and outer kettle, outer rotating shuttle with brush. After cleaning, install the inner kettle in properly way. Roll the hand wheel to check if the machine is in good condition. Install bobbin. Install needle plate B. Cover the transparent bobbin cover.